Okay, so for episode 2 of my machine shop tooling review series, I'm going to be showcasing a particular brand of cutters known by the company named Cuts Like Butter. For as much as I try to promote and mostly use tooling that's made in America over anywhere else, these guys are actually made in Korea, as you can see here, I think. Yeah, Korea right there. I'm going to assume that's South Korea because I don't imagine that Kim Jong-un would be selling quality tooling for a decent price to us Westerners. But yeah, so I originally bought one of these 3/4 inch 3-flute radius nose end mills like a year ago on Amazon when I just got my CNC machine over there and was kind of trying to figure out how to even use it and learn G-code and programming and CAD and CAM and all that. It was kind of a mess. So I wanted to get something that was not the highest end in case I crashed it and fucked some shit up, but I also didn't want to buy just some bottom of the barrel Chinese junk either. And so when I found these on Amazon, I figured I'd give it a shot, but didn't really have the highest expectations for them. And much to my surprise, I was kind of blown away by how good they wound up performing for me. Okay, so shortly after I bought the first 3/4 inch, which you can see over here in this tool holder, I liked it so much that I wound up going back and buying one of their 3/8 inch right here and a little 1/4 inch guy down there, and another one of those 3/4 inches to have as a backup, because these were only, I think that 3/4 inch was only like $49, which is a fucking steal if you look at the pricing of 3/4 inch carbide tooling, you know, from most, you know, prominent places out there. Something like this would be well over $100 most of the time from a lot of the big players, I guess. Okay, so these two are unused, but you can see over here with these two that I've been using for the last year, they're in pretty good condition. Like, excuse me if they're a little bit dirty from being used earlier today, but I'm trying to see if I can get a decent picture. But yeah, like they're not all beat to crap. The edges on them they might be a little bit duller than the edges on the brand new ones, but they're in good condition still. And I would say a lot of that is due to the nose radius on there, because let's face it, while trying to learn how to machine, I've definitely broken a few square nose, the corners off some square nose end mills before with some bad programs and whatnot. But I mean, yeah, these are, for how much they cost, these things are damn good. And I mean, I hope that they just stay around for a while, because I mean, these are some of the most prominent cutters I use on a daily basis, since I mostly machine aluminum. These are perfect for that. Okay, now for anybody that might want to go out there and try and find some of these from themselves, I will let you know that I've got on the internet and searched around for them, and it seems like they're only available on Amazon. I couldn't find an actual website for the company Cuts Like Butter anywhere on the internet, and they're actually on Amazon. The seller is just listed as Amazon, and you got to find each of the individual cutters have their own page. It's not like where it's one page and you can select the size tool you want. They're all individual pages or offerings from Amazon, I guess, which I hate promoting Amazon because they're a shitty company. I don't like them. But like I said, I was broke at the time and just trying to get some tooling I could learn with, and this wind up being a little blessing in disguise right here. Also, I think they do have a couple other sizes. I can't remember what all they were, but the thing with them is I figure they're probably a small company because they don't have any selection in other cutters. They only make this one style of end mill, a 3-flute carbide with a nose radius on it. and I think they had like six different sizes or something originally, which was like the 1/4 inch, the 3/4, the 3/8, and I think they had like a 1/8, 5/8, and maybe like a 5/16 or something. But like I said, you got to go and find each individual page for us. I can't remember what all sizes they offered, but yeah, like they make this and this only. But I mean, if you're trying to save some money or just learning and starting out, like this is definitely the way to go over any of the other import shit out there that you'll get, and it is just junk. I mean, I've even broken some American brand tools that didn't last very long, which, you know, could be user error, but didn't stand up nearly as much as what these have so far.